Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily energies, for your career situation and relationship, guys, we'll be picking cards. So those cards will be specific to your relationship and your career situation, guys. So you can watch that if you want better clarity in your situation, guys. So these are for your daily energies. Leos, before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings happiness, success and prosperity in your lives, guys. So these are for your career situation, Leos, and these cards are for your relationship. And I will turn these cards as we proceed, guys. So let's start with your daily energies first. Leos, it's Hierophant, Fortune's Wheel and Four of Air. I hope you can see the cards clearly, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys, Leos. So in your situation, you just want to have peace, or maybe for some of you, you are having too much responsibilities and you don't have time to relax and allow that peace to just bubble in your heart. So you want time to have that quietness, that peacefulness, but you may not have that time because of the responsibilities that you have in your work situation or in your personal lives. So lots of burdens are there on you and you are quite busy. That may be the reason. And in your situation today, Leos, how the circumstances are unfolding in your situation. Certain things are going as you had expected. Maybe you have some control over those things, but certain things are not. So it's just like some kind of a gamble that is happening. Maybe the reason may be destiny may be the reason. So some kind of pattern, some kind of a cycle, that is a reason that things are going that way. So whatever efforts or whatever you do, whatever that is supposed to come to you, that is what is there for you, guys. So you feel that destiny is playing a part in your life, Leos. That is the reason for things going in such a way. And today, guys, maybe Leos, if you go for meditation, a quiet time for yourself, it is going to work in a magical way for you. You will be able to increase your potential and do your work with much greater vigor, stamina and strength if you are able to practice meditation at least for some time. So when you connect deeply within yourself with that higher power that is in you, you will be able to unleash that greater potential and that energy in your work situation or personal life. So it is going to have a positive impact on you, guys, Leos. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation. We will turn these cards. It's Six of Fire, Five of Fire and the Hangman. So with these cards, guys, in your career situation, you would have faced lot of trials and lots of stressful situations. You have given up so much, you have sacrificed so much for this career, and you have put in lot of efforts, but when you see something's not going according to your likes, according to your expectations, you are quite worried, disturbed. But you need to understand that the reason these things are not there, coming towards you according to your expectation, may be a blessing in disguise. So you have to have that understanding. So something much better than this may come towards you guys. So you have to wait for that right time, wait for the right time, how things are unfolding. So with the previous cards we saw that destiny is the reason for certain circumstance. Again, that may be the energy here. And in your situation, when things are not going according to your expectation, you have to have trust that things will go, things will change for the better. And I also see that in your future you will be able to have that trust and faith in yourself, confidence and that talent in you to go forward in life, and you will be in a position to help people. And this is a time of great transformation for you in your career situation, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship, Leos. 6 of water, 2 of earth and 7 of fire. So with these cards, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this relationship with this person, you are trying your level best to adapt to this person, or this may be their energy. They are trying their best. They want to have that understanding with you. And maybe for some of you, you are sharing your past, maybe the memories of your past relationship or your life, your childhood days, some happy memories for some of you, or it may be something that is stressing you, your past memories. So you are working in this relationship, getting to know each other, and you want to make this connection work. You have that understanding and love with this person, and you have that endurance. So maybe for some of you, you would have faced some stressful situations, but still you are making the effort to make this relationship go that distance. So you want this connection to work, guys, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, Leos, for your relationship, guys. And that is a reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.